So there's a wide variety of formal education areas and then an even wider variety of non-formal environmental education arenas. So Riverbend is one that focuses on supplementing and assisting schools in developing their environmental ed programs, both in the school and here. And what's interesting in that is each environmental ed center can develop a niche. So you have great resources in a semi-urban environment. We're right outside Philadelphia. Schools in these areas, whether they're the urban schools or the suburban schools, as we would want to call them here, it doesn't matter, they need resources. And your educators here lend a very good hand at exploring ways to do investigations that are local and meaningful.
And the reality is there's just not enough hours in school day to do all this, and so you have to try to find activities that
hit on that.
hit on multiple things at once, and it's very difficult.
Yeah.
Okay.
So ecosystem is the way to
It's a
go.
fine one.
Okay.
Perfectly fine.
All right, good.
What I want to do with you today is practice using some science tools so you're ready to use them on the field trip. Did you all bring your science tools today? Yeah. So what am I getting at? What are these called? Your eyes, your ears? Your senses, yeah. What I also want to practice doing today is what the second step that you didn't really say out loud is asking questions about the things you're observing. So things that you wonder about the animal that I have brought for you to look at today.
Observing, not ready?
That is not needed right now. That's a question.
Observations are what we do. Have you just told me three observations? So apparently,
Four legs and like a wolf's tail.
Okay, so let's talk about what your objects remind you of. So could everyone face the circle again? All right, let's see. So let's start over here. What does yours remind you of?
Spring, because I have a piece of apron.
That's cool, reminds you of spring, yes.
Come on, over here. Hey, wormies. How do you know they're worms? We found a roly-poly. Why would you guys pick the dogs?
Oh wow, yeah, there it is. Oh,
There's another roly-poly.
yeah.
Yo, catch it up. I want it. I want a roly-poly. I'm finding insects.
Going back this right there.
Watch out. You gotta jump in their back. We don't find
It seems to be moving pretty slowly.
That is great. Yeah, that's like really big. I'll be here.
Aaliyah, look on her arm. Look at her arm.
Oh my god! She got praying mantis in her hand. It could.
Yeah. When you guys first saw the praying mantis, where was it? Was it the top of the grass, the middle, on the dirt, or underground? On the top? How about other people? When you first saw the praying mantis, where was it? Yeah. It was in the middle. How about you?
Oh, it's right there! Behind you! I'm not used to this.
They want you to design a park in a way that's not only fun for people and kids,
and big kids and little ones and adults, but that also protects the nature as best we can.
The Riverbend experience was fabulous for our kids. One of the first things I noticed is our kids don't play outside a lot. Just being outside in nature, walking around, learning how to walk on a hill when it's muddy. They were unsure of themselves. So all just that part of it was great for them. They loved being in the stream. They loved getting their feet wet and muddy. The group I was with found a crayfish, so that was exciting because they had seen that when the presenter came to our classroom. And they were able to remember some of the things that they had done in the classroom. I was at Riverbend 20 plus years ago, and it's still a beautiful spot to go to. The lessons that we did then were as important as the lessons that we do now, and maybe more so because of the type of children we have here in Upper Darby that really don't interact so much with nature. That this was a wonderful experience, and we appreciate the opportunity that we were given to bring all of the fourth grades.